Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR X7d and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, go to contacts, choose the contact that you want to personalize and mark edit. Now click on camera, which is for profile picture, select choose from gallery or take a photo if you wish to grab a photo right now. Select the photo that you want to add, mark confirmation mark. Here you can customize it, adjust it, tap on confirmation mark again, and that's it. Okay, so it's skipped somehow, but let's apply it one more time. And now just mark confirmation mark again. It is saved, it is applied, and as you can see, photo is added to particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.